Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. This installment, we have this Mini Tools 38-piece Ratchet set. It's a 288B, I believe, the model number of it. Just double check that in a moment for you. Inside this lovely case, we have this little spring-loaded latch mechanism. We have a case that contains a bit driving ratchet and another bit driving ratchet that is in the shape of a normal socket wrench. Yeah, it hasn't got a socket wrench in there. It's got a little 1/4 inch bit driver. It comes with an adapter so you can put sockets on it. It also comes with 5 through to 14mm in sockets. This little handle here is quite impressive. It's got a little thumb screw on it, so it allows you to run it by hand. Got a nice reversible switch too. And yeah, it's a pretty handy little thing. Pretty comfortable to hold in the hand. It's very nice to hold in the hand, to be honest. And with that, we also have the your regular bit driver. Then reversible, nice and easy to reverse. Nice bits, and it also comes with a selection of other little bits as well. So we have a selection of bits in this lovely spring-loaded case. So when you open the case up, these pop forward to make it easy to get them out. Let me pop this back. We'll do this one first, actually, just want it to fall out. This is one of those little wing nut drivers. So you know the nuts with the little wings on that you screw down. You use this and you can screw it down. Tighten up those wing nuts. Very handy. It's a bit shallow, admittedly, but it is pretty handy. You also have the adapter for the sockets I already mentioned. That one wants to fall out. We have a normal bit driver, and then we have a flexible bit driver, and we have some Torx bits. So we've got Torx 6, 10, 15, 25 and 30 for 3 different Phillips bits. So 0 through to 2, 3 different sizes of flathead, a triangle bit, some hex heads or Allen heads, 3 through to 5, 6 so to say, a couple of posi drives, a couple of Y wings, tri-wings bits, and some of these U bits. And then we have the sockets. Let me grab one of them out. Let's start with the 10mm, shall we? So here's the 10mm. Nice looking socket. They feel really nice in the hand. Yeah, pretty good little sockets. Yeah, it's a pretty handy little kit. If you like the case as well, it's got these little knobs so everything lines up and holds perfectly encased. Everything's nice and solid, really. I'm thinking of using this in the car because you won't hear the bits rattling. See? Let me put the lid back on. With a shake, can't really hear anything rattling around. Yeah, it's a pretty good little case. Case really holds. All these sockets are held in by little let me grab one out quickly. A little held in by these little push tabs at the bottom here. It makes it a very compact little kit. And like I said, it's very small. I saw this and I found this on eBay. I was looking around and this popped up. It was only a tenner. I thought, you know what, for a tenner, that's not a bad little item to pick up and give a test out. I've been really impressed with it. The sockets are quite nice. They hold the bolts really well. I haven't used the flexible bit yet, but it does look quite interesting. It's got these little holders so you can hold it and still run the screwing. So if you need to flex it round. These are handy for all sorts of different things. Can't really use torque with them, but they are pretty handy. Obviously a standard bit driver as well. Can't go wrong with one of these. They always come in handy. And yeah, also you can use it with any 1/4 inch bit. So if you don't want these bits, you can swap them out for bits you do want. But I've been quite impressed with it so far. And yeah, so moving on to my final thoughts now. It's a good little kit. I am very pleased with it. The price and the value is great. I've used it a fair bit. Well, not a fair bit, but I've used it a lot. It's stood up to the stuff I've used it for so far. So it'll probably end up living in the car. I'm going to give it a 4 spanner rating. So there'll be 4 spanners popping up here somewhere. And for those of you who don't know, my rating system goes from 1 or 0 sometimes, depending on really bad tools, all the way up to 5. So 4 is a good score to get. And while we're on the subject of good things to get, our subscriber count on the channel is going up really nicely. We are at around 470 now, so we're only 30 away from the magic 500 mark, which is an amazing achievement. So I'd like to thank everyone for that. If you're new here, maybe drop a sub to see what the content's about. There's lots of cool content coming. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.